I'm sure that we can all agree that a bouquet of flowers always smells way lovelier than a single flower. We apply the same concept into our fragrance compositions, which is why there is so much complexity in them. Did you pick up on a sweet, refreshing note lingering? If yes, then chances are you're smelling this orchid. As vibrant and attractive as its appearance is, the sweet scent exuded from this orchid is just as beautifully fragrant, matching its beauty with its lovely aroma. Other scents infused in the composition are therapeutic orchids. As the name suggests, the presence of these orchids provides tranquility and peace to our minds and brings with it an abundance of medicinal values. This multi-use therapeutic orchid is a Chinese medicinal herb that is commonly used for its pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. It promotes healing, circulation of energy, stops blood flow, and improves kidney function. Used predominantly in China and Nepal, juice extracted from this orchid is made into a drink and consumed for treatment of heart and lung diseases and coughs. Those struggling with urinary problems and urinary stones are also recommended to consume this medicine. To balance out the sweet floral notes from the orchids, we have included in other scent notes such as lavender, orris, and blends of several spicy nuances and hints of oranges. Lavender is probably the most widely recognized ingredient both in perfumery and aromatherapy. Releasing an aromatic green floral note that has nuances of clean and spicy facets, it can be encountered in several colognes and men's perfumes. The scent of lavender is most reputed for its potent soothing and calming qualities. It is proven to quell stress and anxiety and induce better sleep quality. An extremely precious ingredient, orris, the root of iris, a beautiful blooming flower species, comes with a matching heart-stopping price tag. Yet it is highly sought after due to its endearing smell, soft, powdery, earthy, with violet flower nuances. A brilliant ingredient that has just as amazing longevity. With its history in perfumery dating back as far as ancient Rome and Greece, orris has long been a symbol of majesty and power too. Used in aromatherapy, orris is believed to be able to provide relief from mind-associated problems such as anxiety and depression, while helping to uplift the mood. Lavish in this enthralling fragrance that brings out a dignified charm, enveloping you with its refined elegance.